Right, today we've got a sectional door, and this one has got a broken spring. So this door won't lift with the motor or even by hand, it's way too heavy. So we need to replace those springs with a new set. These ones have obviously reached their 10,000 limit operation, which is about normal. You can get up to 15,000 operations with some springs, but this is a glider brand door, and about 20 years is the maximum lifespan. Some go a bit more, some go a bit less. So the first thing we need to do is remove those springs. I'll show you a super fast way of unwinding the spring that is fully wound still. So I've got my tool all set up here so I can actually unwind this spring completely using one hand. So now both springs are safe to remove and we can replace them with those ones down there. Next we'll start by removing the cable drum and the bracket. So now we've got those removed, we can move on to removing the springs. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, leave a comment below and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on the next awesome garage door tip.